It's a bit gloomy today, isn't it? And we couldn't go out even if we wanted to anyway. So, running trains, it's what we got to do. All electric today. The electrification of Britain's railways was done in a way, well, pretty typical of the way all the railways developed in Britain, on a regional, piecemeal basis, without a unified national approach. The result was, well, three kind of main systems really, and all I've got is one of them, which is the 25 kilovolt AC electric traction. And with 4 examples today of locomotives of that type. Starting with AL1 as it used to be known, Class 81 as it came to be known later, A1014. Next to 81014 with the AL5, Class 85, 85026. Well, these are both examples of first generation, which is Class 81 to 85, of the AC locomotives. Over on this side we've got some second generation examples. We did have, of course, the Woodhead line, which went from Manchester to Sheffield. That was electrified with overhead wires. That was 1500 volts DC. There was only the one line which operated in that way, and they decided that 1500 volts DC was not the way forward, so the whole thing was discontinued, which was a shame. Then we got the Southern Railway, of course, with their third rail system, DC. Well, I suppose the pluses is you don't have all the hassle with fixing up overhead wires. The minus is the safety aspect. You can't really have 25,000 volts going through a rail near the ground. So initially I think they had 600 and it was 750, or maybe the other way around. Anyway, that's still going strong, isn't it? I think ideally we would like to electrify all of the UK. At the moment, I think the percentage of electrified lines is 38% of the miles are electrified. The projects keep getting scrapped by various governments. Lots of promises are made. At the moment, we're electrifying the Midland Main Line, which I think is actually going to be done successfully. Fingers crossed. Anyway, here we have 86205, which is City of Lancaster, and Class 87 87007, City of Manchester. You want to see them running with some trains, don't you? So do I. Let's go.